How to add resource packs in Aternos server. Now, first things first is you have to make sure that you already downloaded your resource packs. You can get any resource packs at resourcepack.net, and then you'll just have to choose on the resource pack you want to download, and then choose on that specific resource pack you want to be added to your Aternos server. Now, once you're done downloading it, go back to your Aternos server, make sure that you have logged into your account. Now from your server homepage, go to options right here. You will be routed to this page. All you just need to do is just scroll down a bit until you find resource pack right here. Now just click on this link or this icon right here, and then click on upload, and then make sure that the download file that you have got from resourcepacks.org is going to be a zip or a WinRAR file. So let's find that resource pack I downloaded earlier, like this one. So click on open to upload it successfully. Now once you're done uploading it, all you have to do is just tap on this upload button right here and then go back to your server and make sure unchecked if that resource pack you just added is successfully added to your server. So that's how easy you add resource packs to a Eternal server.